Most people don't budget because they think it's complicated. But the truth is, you can start a simple budget in the next 5 minutes. Let me show you how. First, know your exact monthly income. This includes your salary, side hustles, or any fixed payments you receive. Write down the total amount you actually take home after taxes. Next, list your monthly expenses. Start with essentials like rent, food, transportation, utilities, your phone bill, and debts. Then list flexible expenses like shopping, subscriptions, or eating out. The goal is to know where your money is really going. Now use the 50-30-20 rule. It's the easiest budgeting method for beginners. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings or debt payoff. Adjust it based on your situation, but use it as a starting point. Track your spending every week. You don't need fancy apps. You can use your Notes app, Google Sheets, or any budget template. The key is consistency. A budget only works if you actually check it. Finally, review and adjust your budget every month. Your money changes, and your budget should too. Update your numbers, remove expenses you don't need, and increase savings when possible. Budgeting isn't about restriction. It's about control. Start today, keep it simple, and you'll be surprised how fast your finances improve. Subscribe for more beginner-friendly money tips.